This is just a tutorial here to explain something to somebody. One of my subscribers here said, please, how do you connect your related videos? How do you do that? So I just want to answer these questions quickly because I'm not going to be neglecting any of my subscribers or my followers, because for any question that is being asked, it's because it was a burden. A question is asked because this person needs or does not have the knowledge about it. I know it or you know it does not make it very simple or common. There are people that are still struggling over one thing or the other. So whenever I see a question, I'm going to come here to share because there could be many more people that are in need of the same information. So in this video, I'm going to answer how you can add related video in your short videos to boost your watch hours. All right. So if you want to get watch hours faster and monetize quick, you need to do all these things. So in this place, I'm going to be answering how to use shorts to increase your watch hours, and how you're going to do this is going to be very simple. This method can help you increase watch hours, and it's a very simple way of doing it. After this video, ensure you go back to all your shorts and do exactly what I'm going to be showing to you. And I bet you come back rejoicing that this really worked. Okay, how to add related videos to your shorts. That's what we're going to be doing in this very short tutorials, how to add related videos to your shorts. First off, we go straight to our YouTube app. Yeah, we try to wait for it to open up. When it's opened, you go to where you have the plus sign and click on the plus to add your YouTube shorts. You wait for it to open up, and then you select the video. Ensure you already have a video that you want to upload in your shorts. So you select the video you want to upload for that particular shorts. When you've done that, yeah, you add your title. This is a video I chose from my gallery. You add your title, whatever. Ensure the title is an engaging one. Add your title, and then you add music. It's important to add music to your shorts. Music has a way of keeping your audience glued to your shorts. So, but do not add a copyrighted music, okay? So you add your music. We're done with our title and then the music. But then if you are talking, you may not need to add music, or you reduce the volume of the music. But here we've added music. The next is to add the title. The other one is caption. This is title. I just add having a happy day. You add your title, very important. And then when you are done with your title, you add your hashtags. Hashtags, very important as well to your shorts. And then you go on to add your description. That's a very quick one. If you like, if you don't like, no problem. For this particular video, that's not where we're going to be hinging on. When you're done with your description, the next is the main deal now, the related video. So whenever you upload a new short, ensure that you connect it to the video that you want. Look at where we have the related videos. Can you see it? Related videos. That's after location. You click on it, then it will take you to your videos, either your normal videos, your live stream, whatever. And most times I attach it to my latest video, the video I want to get the watch hours from, interesting video, and then voila, it's done. Just click on it. You can also remove it anytime you want to remove it, but ensure that you connect all your shorts to a video. When you do that, you'll be giving that video the opportunity to have more watch hours. Remember, every legal way you need to get your watch hours, you need to do that before the time elapses, okay? So this is a short. I've already uploaded it. You can see it in my channel, and that's it. Very easy easy peasy lemon squeezy, right? So that's the tutorial. It's a very short one. So go to your shorts and add related videos to your shorts, and give yourself the opportunity to have more watch hours. As you can see, the shorts is uploading and then your short is ready. Thanks again for watching. See you in my next video. Always like, comment, share, and subscribe for more. Bye.